Yeah, I'll be there.
Like my necklace started relaxing now. That's what the hell I put a change for that. Money ain't a thing, still the same. Just change, now we run this shit again.
Don't dance and still up my pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on.
Y'all gotta calm down, man. Listen, I just got orders from Fat Man himself. What? Right now ain't nobody else getting in. What? We at capacity. What? That means we full. Man, we gotta get up in here. Look at here.
I said, man, don't dance and still up my pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. Now we living better now. Put your sweater now. Never walk can fly through any weather now. See, haters get tight when you work some millions. This is why I sport the chinchilla. Hurt their feelings. You can find your crack at all type of events. Out of Vegas front row to all the fights. If Father Born come, then they probably squeal. It's happy rappers that like Derek for real. If you cross the line, damn right, I'm gonna hurt you. These even make it.
Bring it in, bring it in.
All right, let's play ball.
Come on.
Here we go. Let's go. Brothers, watch it down that line.
Me van a atar, te estoy baratado, joder.
One, two. One.
I got it.
Baby, don't wait. Let's go. No, keep going.
Way to go, way to go. It's Capri. Reads the third batter for the Rebels. Nice hit through the middle, looking for a hit, an infield hit for Chris. Fastest runner in the entire league on a female legs. She can do it, she can run and she can run fast. Proof of that is her on base right now, but she also got contact. She can do this all day long. We got Paul. Paul out cleanup hitter. Waiting for something. He got power. That's for sure. He went under it. Left fielder waiting for it. Catches, and that's out number 3. No runs. One runner on base.
He's right there. He in left field. Complete center. Paul, right field. Right pitcher. Goldie second. Go. In first. One short. Allison right field. JC Yates. Marcus left field.
Also off to a strong start.
I just didn't get my glove down enough. I got him a little lazy.
You can't roll a blunt to this one. You gotta
Flo, put this shit up right here. You know I wrote this song basically.
You can't even drink Cristal on this one.
You gotta drink this.
You gotta drink Cristal. What's your name? Type of red wine, little guy from 9-7. This is for the grown and sexy.
Where's Mel at?
Can I get my grown man on sassy ladies tonight? This should be that good, Mike. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Can you come in with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you out tonight? You already know what it's hitting for. I got whatever outside, and you know what I'm sitting on. 50-50 venture with them ass stop kicking on.
Baba one.
That's not batting for him?
Yeah, you're batting for him.
Trust. Who else you gonna run with? The truth is us. Only dudes that was in bats.
We got five.
Two.
PJs on the runway, young got air.
Good night, kid.
Yeah. On the way, baby, on the way. In the park.
Try me out.
Short, Mike, too short.
Everybody's like,
Mel, you're on deck.
He don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night so now she don't like him.
Vamos allá, donde sea que tú le des, hay problemas para ellos. Velo ahí. Thank you. They're dropping. Come on, let's go all the way. I need you three. Thank you. Hold it. Attaboy. Let's go, Sarah. Have a day. Have a day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. We love it. Oh, she's wild. She's wild. Yeah.
That's what happens when you go to the Spanish spot the day before.
Hey, be mindful with the runner, D. D, you heard? You don't have to flush her. Let's go. Have a day, bitch.
Love, let's go half on the sun. I know my past ain't one. You can easily get past, but that chapter is done. But I'm done reading for now. Remember, space up. You can read it from now. But ma, you got it for real, for serious, bro. I'm about to give you all
Face it.
Attaboy, Mel. Good work.
Anna, be ready to swing.
Hey, Josh, nothing more, nothing less. Good job, baby.
You're after her here.
Yeah. Nothing more, nothing less. Good job.
This is 5 right now? 5?
Yeah, that's
I'm not looking back at him when he does that.
same pitch, except for it was just lower. Slow it down, Mike. Next pitch. Shot swing.
Thursday. 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 Thank you.
The McDonald's Snack Wrap.
Good job.
You,
Yo, what day? What day?
One day.
She just hit She hit that. I said turn. Is it even recording? It is. Run.
Dash, no whistle fly.
Hey, back. 2 outs. Hey, good job. Good job. Let's go. I see it.
Have a day,
So sign up for Dash before it's
That's like eating, right? Oh, no.
Head in. We know we're going to score today. Let's go. Me quedé de ti pensando para jalar.
Keep your eye on the ball.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Hello. Let's do it for us. Let's go. That's when we play as a team. Let's go. D. It's D, son. Oh, Danny just got here. Who's up? You did. That's it. I can do that back, right?
What did you say? Right. Is that Danny's doubling? Yo, stay hot.
There's a female on deck, by the way, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Female on deck. She's right
Of course
here.
I do. All right.
Be patient.
Let's go, D.
Stay hot.
Run. Never get you. Never. I've seen that guy.
Attaboy.
Hey, let's go. Have a day. Have a day. That's
John.
right on time.
Brakes gave out my car. Oh, you serious? Yeah, I had to go in It's coming too. It's coming too.
Go, have a day. Hey, 2 out.
You didn't like that song, John? She swings?
Oh my God, so loud.
Nice one.
Then who did I hit?
You hit almost everybody.
I was so
You
sorry.
almost smoked the whole team. You in the camera.
You take the lead, you take the problem. See what went and how you gon' solve them. Automatic or revolver. Can y'all run a lesson? Here's the lesson. Most things is in for them, but none is fluorescent. No matter where you go, I'ma stop you. No matter how many people you put me in front of, I'ma rock you. And if you try to be the hard top, I'ma rock you. I got to shoot you like the clutch and pop you. Shoot through in the 420 with your honey. Cause you ain't nothing but a playboy that turned bunny. And the only thing left to discuss is more money. And these bullshit games, these chickens try to run me. Y'all know y'all can't touch us. I flow luscious. It's so real, I make hop out and get the Duchess. I'm sitting on 1,000 birds and I hide from the camera. Cause the pictures worth 1,000 words. And y'all heard, y'all get what y'all deserve. Y'all do the catering while we just get served. And you got some